SUVs that can go off-road are in the minority nowadays, but the Nissan X-Trail is one of the exceptions. Practicality is expected to be a strong suit, but does it have to show as well as go? Is it worth the money? Let's find out now. The Nissan X-Trail E-Power is the brand's first attempt at electrifying its largest SUV. Fitting electric motors to drive the wheels and using a petrol engine as a generator is a midpoint on the journey to total electricity. It may not be so impressive at first glance, but the X-Trail was highly commended in the Adventurer's Choice category of the 2024 CarWow Awards, proving its quality. Aside from these electric motors, this hybrid version differs slightly from the petrol X-Trail, except for the E-Power badges. Like the petrol models, E-Power versions start on 18-inch alloys, rising to 20s that are standard on the top-end Techno Plus. Inside, you'll find the same layout and finish quality. The top-spec Techno Plus is particularly well finished, with the light tan interior adding an extra touch of specialness. You get two 12.3-inch displays side by side, with the more expensive versions featuring a head-up display. And you get the same space in the rear seats, with no sacrifices for choosing E-Power. But if you want 7 seats, you should opt for the all-wheel drive version, as the front-wheel drive E-Power only offers 5 seats. The space is good in the front 2 rows, with plenty of adult headroom and legroom, even with the sliding sunroof in place. However, the rear row is not the best for longer journeys, even when sliding the middle row forward to improve the rear room. There's also decent storage with well-sized door bins and seat pockets. The all-electric drive system adds a level of refinement you might not expect from a big SUV on the road. The engine can be very harsh to listen to when going up steep hills or accelerating down a slip road, which can spoil the experience somewhat. On the motorway, when you're up to speed, it quietens down, creating a quiet, serene cruising environment. There's wind flutter around the wing mirrors and roof rails, but it's not enough to spoil the cabin. Only a few X-Trails are at home on twistier roads, but they hold their own, especially with the 2-motor setup. It grips the road well and only feels vast if you're on a narrow country road. The Nissan X-Trail E-Power is equipped with a 1.5-litre inline 3-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a total system power of 201 horsepower and 243 pounds-force-foot of torque. It can reach a top speed of 106 miles per hour and accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 8 seconds. The vehicle's fuel consumption on a combined cycle is impressively efficient at 41 mpg. Unique to the X-Trail E-Power is Nissan's claim that the rear torque response is up to 10,000 times faster than that of a mechanical all-wheel drive system, which should contribute to a more responsive driving experience. Additionally, the model features a regenerative braking system that helps recharge the battery during deceleration, further enhancing its efficiency. Regarding appearance, it's clearly built with purpose rather than just for show. It may not be the sleekest version available, but it has a certain presence. The chiseled air intakes and the split headlight design give it a bold front-end look. The diagonal grille, now a Nissan hallmark, is framed by chrome accents, and the test model discussing features a silver front splitter for an extra touch of style. The side profile reveals an indentation at the bottom of the doors, hinting at the vehicle's readiness for off-road challenges. The cladding and the wheel-to-body gap further emphasize its capability to handle rough terrain. Moving to the back, the roof spoiler extends slightly over the rear window, which is an unusual design choice that adds to the X-Trail's distinctiveness. Silver elements near the base create a diffuser-like effect, complemented by the rugged cladding. Indeed, the X-Trail's design might not be universally appealing, but it's undeniably unique and full of character. It could be just the right fit for those looking for an SUV that stands out. Whether its looks justify its value is a matter of personal taste and the specific needs of an off-road capable vehicle. Interior design and features offer a mix of style and functionality. The light brown upholstery option adds a touch of elegance, contrasting nicely with the more subdued all-black cabin choice. While the black interior may lack visual variety due to minimal silver trim, it maintains a sleek, uniform look. The vehicle's build quality is solid, with tactile switches contributing to a premium feel. Plush materials throughout the cabin enhance the upscale ambience, making it easy to forget you're in a Nissan. Certainly, it feels slightly above what you might expect from the brand. Although there are areas with less expensive plastics, they are cleverly concealed. The layout inside is well thought out, with ergonomically placed buttons on the steering wheel and an infotainment screen that's easily accessible. The 12.3-inch infotainment system is notable for its size and responsiveness, featuring a user-friendly menu. While its display resolution isn't the sharpest on the market, including a rotary dial compensates by simplifying operation while driving. Nissan's decision to retain physical dials for climate control rather than integrating them into the touchscreen is a practical choice that many drivers will appreciate for its ease of use. The optional Bose sound system, standard on the Techno Plus trim for audiophiles, significantly enhances audio quality, offering a more immersive listening experience. This upgrade could be worthwhile for those who prioritize high-quality sound in their vehicle. Overall, the X-Trail E-Power's interior balances aesthetic appeal and practical features, catering to various preferences. Nissan offers a variety of options to customize your vehicle. White is the standard color, but you can choose from the diamond black, silver, browny gray, champagne silver, ceramic gray, diamond red, storm white, and electric blue. For a more personalized look, the N-connector trim and higher levels offer two-tone options with a black metallic roof, available with storm white, electric blue, champagne silver, or ceramic gray body colors. Regarding interior style, upholstery upgrades are available in black synthetic leather, gray artificial leather, black quilted premium leather, and tan quilted premium leather. However, these are exclusive to the higher trims. The 7-seat configuration is an optional feature for those needing more seating. The premium Bose sound system and the Sky Pack, which includes roof rails and an electric sunroof with a sunshade, can also enhance your driving experience. Additional accessories such as a bike carrier, smartphone holder, and key tracker are available to further personalize your X-Trail. These options allow for a good degree of customization to suit your practical needs and aesthetic preferences. The Nissan X-Trail E-Power's unique features start with the STL E-Power Hybrid, equipped with 18-inch alloys and modern amenities like LED headlights, adaptive cruise control, fog lights, and dual-zone climate control. A surround view monitor with parking sensors enhances safety and convenience. Inside the vehicle boasts leatherette upholstery, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated front seats, and sliding rear seats, all contributing to a comfortable driving experience. The Pro Pilot Driving Assistant is a standout feature that offers semi-autonomous driving capabilities, making it a highlight for those interested in the latest driving technology. Moving up the range, the T-E-Power variant upgrades to 19-inch alloys and includes a powered boot lift for convenience. The top-tier X-Trail model further enhances the luxury and convenience factors with 20-inch alloys, a hands-free boot lift, and an improved audio experience thanks to the 10-speaker Bose sound system. These features collectively make the X-Trail E-Power a compelling option in the hybrid SUV market. E-Power offers a commendable driving position, elevated enough to provide good visibility through the front windows. The driver's seat comes with height adjustments, allowing you to find an even higher vantage point if needed. Adjustable lumbar support becomes standard for the Accenta Premium trim upwards, enhancing comfort and ergonomics. The memory function for saving seat positions is particularly useful for those who share their vehicle with others, ensuring a quick switch back to preferred settings. However, the rear visibility is somewhat compromised by the thick vertical rear pillars and the shape of the rear windows, which cede space to the bodywork. This limitation is partially offset by the standard rear parking sensors across all trims, with the Accenta Premium trim further adding front sensors and a rear-view camera for improved maneuverability. Space-wise, the Nissan X-Trail E-Power is generous. The front area provides ample room to relax. Even with all 3 seats occupied, the cabin doesn't feel cramped. Access to the rear seats is straightforward, and the ability to recline them adds to the overall spaciousness, making it more comfortable than many other 7-seaters when sitting in the back. Boot capacity is sizable at 585 liters for the 5-seater configuration, with the rear seats folded down. However, this does reduce to 485 liters for the 7-liter variant. This is slightly less than what you'd find in a Kia Sorento, indicating a trade-off between passenger and cargo space in the 7-seater model. Certainly, the car stands out for its fuel economy, consuming only 6.1 liters per 100 kilometers on a combined cycle. notably less in the 7.4 to 7.8 litre per 100 km on the non-hybrid models. This efficiency is a strong selling point, especially compared to other SUVs in its class. Warranty coverage for the X-Trail E-Power Hybrid includes a 5-year unlimited kilometer factory warranty and 5 years of roadside assistance. Owners also benefit from cap price servicing, which amounts to $3,051 for 6 years or 60,000 kilometers. Regarding the cost, the STL variant starts at $49,990, approximately €45,991 or 361,737 yuan. The T E-Power Hybrid is priced at $54,690, around €50,315 or 395,397 yuan. The top-tier X-Trail TL E-Power with E-Force is priced at $57,690, roughly €53,075 or 417,177 yuan. So, is it worth the money? Let me know in the comment section, and make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss the exciting content I send your way.
Shutterstock.